cases, People versus Valerie Johnson.
Joseph, Governor of the People, Your Honor.
Assistant Public Defender Hannah Apple appearing on behalf of Ms. Johnson. Ms. Johnson, can you state your name for the record?
Here we go. The first case hits the floor. Notice how routine this sounds. But don't be fooled. Every small request, like an adjournment, can completely shift the pace of justice. Ever wonder how many times a case actually gets delayed before?
Ms. Johnson, can you state your name for the record?
Valerie Johnson.
Your Honor, I have an application pending to schedule a meeting with Ms. Johnson, so I'd ask for an adjournment for that purpose.
Without objection, how much time? You have the application.
The application is pending, but I already have, I guess, my video visits approved. So once it shouldn't be very long, I don't expect. That makes sense.
I believe that. All right. Probable cause conference will be here on September 4th.
Thank you.
2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue. Thank you, Ms. Johnson.
Thank you.
Senator Greg here.
Really? No, go ahead. I'll wait. You got everybody? Court does call the case of the People versus Michelle Lobaz.
Medical records. These can make or break a case. They're not just paperwork. They're evidence that can prove illness, incapacity, or sometimes a whole new defense. Question for you. Should prosecutors be forced to hand these over faster, or does the delay protect fairness?
John Shea, Your Honor, with and on behalf of Ms. Labaz, who's approaching.
Morning. What's your name?
State your name for the record.
Michelle Labaz.
Thank you. All right. What are you doing?
Your Honor, the defense has been awaiting supplemental medical records for quite some time. Medical records take a long time to obtain. My understanding is the prosecutor's office has them. They will be tendering them to us. We will be tendering them to others who need to review them. I'm going to be out of the country between August 31st and September 19th, so we're requesting a PCC until after that.
Since September 19th.
Yes, sir.
You come back. I can do September 25th or October 2nd.
Your Honor, September the 25th will work just fine. At the 22nd, excuse me 1 second, Your Honor. Your Honor, it's September 25th for the time being. We may have a conflict with that, but if we do, we'll contact the court. I know I have a conflict on the 2nd.
Hearing no objection, probable cause conference, September 25th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case People versus Samuel Klosky.
And then on behalf of the People, Your Honor.
I realize, Ms. Cannon, you are trying to stand in my eyesight, so I know that you're actually here and we're waiting on somebody else. No, never mind. You don't have to say anything. I'm just saying, I get why you're there.
Filling in for Ed Drugas, the defendant. My apologies, Judge.
Your name, sir?
What's your name? Samuel Klosky.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we are asking that this matter be set for a preliminary exam.
All discovery complete?
To my knowledge, yes.
People have their witnesses available the 2nd.
We'll do our best, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination in person, September 2nd, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge Freshour.
Thank you, Judge. Thanks, Your Honor. All right.
Bond continued. Court calls case People versus Eric Lightheart.
Joseph, Governor of the People.
Good morning, Your Honor. Christopher Shemke appearing on behalf of my client who approaches.
Your name, sir?
Eric Lightheart.
Thank you. You're seeking an adjournment?
Yes, Your Honor. Don't have that go off.
That objection, probable cause conference will be adjourned to September 2nd, or September 4th, excuse me.
Your Honor, if possible, I was respectfully requesting consideration for the 18th of September. I fully expect the matter to find a resolution. I do not see this matter being set for an exam.
5 weeks out.
But I wouldn't be seeking any additional adjournments.
Any objection from the people? September 18th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
Court calls case People versus Kyle Beckerman.
Good morning, please, Honorable Court, David Burgess on behalf of Mr. Beckman. We got our discovery is complete. We're requesting exam on this matter.
Your name, sir?
Kyle Beckerman.
People have their witnesses available the second. Preliminary examination in person, September 2nd, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge
Perry.
Judge Perry. Bond will continue. Court calls the case of the People versus Latanya Marie. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, Latanya Marie Lee. Let's see, get that wrong. Naya Lee. They have it. They have those.
Andrew Childers, appearing on behalf of the people. Good morning, Your Honor. Sam Bernstein with on behalf of Ms. Lee. Ms. Lee, could you please state your name?
Naya Lee.
Your Honor, we're asking for an adjournment. There's some discovery that still needs to be produced, and we're working on a resolution. So a lengthier adjournment would be appreciated, Your Honor. Respectfully requested.
The 4th.
Like a 30-ish.
Pardon?
You said to the 4th, Your Honor? Could be a little
If
bit
I'm giving suggestions. Go ahead.
like the 18th, Your Honor, please.
18th. Why? This is 5 weeks out. The other one was a retail fraud. I don't even understand why we sent that out 5 weeks. And this is
Yeah, I guess that is a little bit lengthy. September
is.
11th, Your Honor.
This is huge. A forensic exam. Translation? The court isn't even sure if the defendant is mentally fit to stand trial. This isn't about guilt yet. It's about competency. Imagine the stakes here. If he's found incompetent, the trial hits pause until treatment or evaluation says otherwise.
September 11th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued. Court calls the case of the People versus Christopher Decker.
Good morning, Your Honor. J. Grant Miller, P58658, on behalf of Mr. Decker, who approaches. Please state your name.
Christopher Decker.
All right, you're requesting a forensic exam.
Yes, Your Honor. I met with Mr. Decker. There were some concerns raised during our meeting Saturday, so we're requesting a forensic exam. I've received the paper discovery from the People. The prosecutor also has provided me the email address, and I already sent over a request while waiting to be called for the digital discovery. I think the only holdup is how long it'd take to get the forensic center to see my client.
Forensic examination evaluation is ordered. I'll set a competency here, give me 90. We'll move it up. Yes, sir. November 13th, 2025, 9 a.m.
And Your Honor, my understanding is I don't believe bond's been addressed in this, and we just asked the court to reserve that. There's a revoked bond from a case that's already been bound over to circuit court. So I don't believe any of this time is counting on this case, but we just didn't want the court to deny bond or take any further action until we get a response back.
He's got a 25,000 cash shirt.
On this case, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Bond will continue. Court does call the case of the People versus Carlton Cross. Mr. Feaster's case. Sir, can you state your name, please?
Yes,